The Digital Town Square: Why Your Social Media Strategy Matters. Written by Neil Patel in the 7-Day Startup. Imagine a bustling town square. People gather, chat, share news, and connect. This is what social media is today, a digital town square. It's where your customers hang out, share opinions, and look for information. Your social media strategy? It's your megaphone, your conversation starter, your way to join the party. Without a strategy, you're just shouting into the void. You need a plan, a roadmap to navigate this digital landscape. Think of it this way. You wouldn't open a shop without knowing your target audience or what you're selling, right? Social media is no different. It needs a clear purpose, a defined audience, and consistent effort. Your social media presence is an extension of your brand. It's an opportunity to build relationships, showcase your expertise, and ultimately, drive business results. It's not just about posting pretty pictures or funny memes, although those have their place. It's about engaging with your audience, understanding their needs, and providing value. Speaking the right language, tailoring your approach for each platform. Each social platform has its own personality, its own language. Facebook is the friendly neighbor, great for sharing updates and connecting with a broad audience. Instagram is the visual storyteller, perfect for showcasing products and aesthetics. Twitter? That's your quick-witted friend, ideal for news updates and real-time conversations. You wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a pool party, would you? The same goes for social media. What works on Instagram might fall flat on LinkedIn. Each platform attracts a different demographic with unique interests and behaviors. Understanding these nuances is key to crafting content that resonates. On Instagram, it's all about high-quality visuals and engaging stories. On Twitter, brevity is king, with snappy copy and relevant hashtags. LinkedIn calls for a more professional tone, focusing on industry insights and career-related content. The key takeaway? Don't spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere at once. Focus on the platforms where your target audience hangs out and tailor your content accordingly. Remember, it's better to excel on a few platforms than to be mediocre on many. The engagement equation: content, timing, and interaction. So you're on the right platforms, speaking the right language. Now, how do you get people talking? It's all about the engagement equation, a perfect blend of content, timing, and interaction. Content is king, but it has to be the right kind of content. Think about your audience. What do they want to see? Informative articles, stunning visuals, behind-the-scenes peeks? Mix it up and keep them engaged. Timing is everything. Posting when your audience is most active can significantly impact your reach. Experiment with different posting times and analyze your results to find your sweet spot. Finally, remember that social media is a two-way street. Don't just broadcast your message, engage. Respond to comments, ask questions, run polls, and create conversations. Make your audience feel heard and valued. Listen to the data using analytics to fine-tune your strategy. You've poured your heart and soul into crafting engaging content. Now, it's time to put on your detective hat and analyze the results. Social media analytics are your secret weapon, providing valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Think of analytics as your compass, guiding you towards social media success. They tell you who's engaging with your content, what's resonating, and where you need to adjust your strategy. Are your Instagram stories falling flat? Maybe your audience prefers video content. Is your Facebook engagement low? Perhaps your posting schedule needs tweaking. Analytics help you identify these trends and make data-driven decisions. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different content formats, posting times, and even hashtags. Then, track your progress, analyze the results, and adjust your approach accordingly. Remember, social media is a marathon, not a sprint, and continuous optimization is key. Section 5. Case Studies: Real-world examples of social media success. Let's put these strategies into action with some real-world examples. Take, for instance, the innovative sock company, Bombas. They've mastered the art of cause marketing, integrating social good into their brand identity. For every pair of socks purchased, Bombas donates a pair to someone in need. They showcase this mission prominently on social media, sharing heartwarming stories and partnering with relevant influencers. This strategy has resonated deeply with their audience, fostering a loyal following and driving significant growth. Bombas demonstrates the power of aligning your social media strategy with your brand values and connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Another inspiring example is the fitness apparel giant Nike. They've built a global community around their brand by empowering athletes and celebrating the power of sport. Nike's social media feeds are a testament to this ethos, featuring inspiring stories of athletes overcoming challenges and achieving their goals. They also leverage user-generated content effectively, encouraging customers to share their own fitness journeys using the hashtag #Nike. Section 6. The never-ending story, why your strategy should always be evolving. Social media is like a living, breathing entity, constantly changing and evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, and that's okay. The key is to stay adaptable, embrace experimentation, and continuously refine your strategy. Think of your social media strategy as a living document, not a static set of rules. Regularly review your goals, analyze your performance, and make adjustments based on the ever-changing landscape. Stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of social media is full of surprises, and that's part of what makes it so exciting. Section 7. Beyond the likes, measuring the real impact of your efforts. Likes, comments, and shares. These are the metrics that often steal the show in the world of social media. But while they offer a glimpse into your audience engagement, they don't tell the whole story. To truly gauge the effectiveness of your social media efforts, you need to look beyond vanity metrics and focus on the bigger picture. Are your social media efforts driving traffic to your website? Are you generating leads and converting followers into paying customers? These are the questions that truly matter. Implement tracking mechanisms, utilize UTM codes, and dive deep into your website analytics to understand the customer journey from social media click to conversion. Remember, social media is a means to an end, and that end is achieving your business objectives. Section 8. Tools of the Trade Essential Resources for Social Media Management. Managing multiple social media accounts can feel like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Thankfully, there are tools available to streamline your efforts and make your life easier. From scheduling tools to analytics dashboards, these resources can help you save time, optimize your content, and track your progress more effectively. Consider using a social media management platform like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts in advance, monitor mentions, and analyze your performance. Tools like Canva can help you create eye-catching visuals, while Grammarly ensures your copy is error-free. Remember, the right tools can empower you to work smarter, not harder, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience and building a thriving community. Section 9. Navigating the pitfalls. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to stumble and make mistakes in the ever-evolving world of social media. But by being aware of common pitfalls, you can navigate these challenges more effectively and stay ahead of the curve. One of the biggest mistakes brands make is being overly promotional. While it's important to showcase your products or services, nobody wants to be bombarded with constant sales pitches. Instead, focus on providing value, entertainment, and information that resonates with your audience. Strive for a healthy balance of promotional and non-promotional content, and always prioritize building relationships over pushing sales. Another common mistake is neglecting to engage with your audience. Remember, social media is a two-way street. Responding to comments, answering questions, and fostering discussions is crucial for building a loyal following. Section 10. The Future of Engagement, Emerging Trends to Watch. The social media landscape is constantly shifting, with new platforms, features, and trends emerging all the time. Staying ahead of the curve requires a keen eye for innovation and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. One trend that's gaining significant traction is the rise of short-form video content. From TikTok to Instagram Reels, bite-sized videos are captivating audiences with their snackable format and creative possibilities. Another trend to watch is the growing importance of social commerce. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are making it easier than ever for users to discover and purchase products directly within their apps. Integrating shoppable features into your social media strategy can help you streamline the customer journey and drive sales. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative ways to connect with audiences online. From augmented reality experiences to virtual events, The future of social media engagement is brimming with exciting possibilities. Section 11. Your social media journey, taking the next steps. Congratulations! You've now embarked on a journey to master the art of social media engagement. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, and success requires consistency, adaptability, and a genuine desire to connect with your audience. Start by defining your goals, identifying your target audience, and choosing the right platforms to reach them. Then, craft engaging content, experiment with different formats, and analyze your results to refine your approach. Don't be afraid to try new things, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, have fun along the way. The world of social media is your oyster. Go forth and create something amazing.